Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D drawing model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select the XY plane, take the line command and here select this base and construct a straight line. Make one line here, one here. Now escape. Now here take the arc command and we will take center point arc. Okay, so here select this as center point, select this edge and make one arc. Okay, now go to line, select this point, select here and here like this. Now escape. Go to arc command once again and select center point arc once again. Select this center point, select this edge and make one arc. Okay, go to line, here select this end point, make a straight line this time and close this geometry. Okay, so this is a rough sketch. Go to dimension, here we'll start from this dimension, this will be 10 mm. Okay, according to this all dimensions will be given. Now here this dimension will be of 5 mm. Okay, now here select this, give this dimension a radius of 20 and this radius of 30. Okay, now here we will give this dimension as 10 mm and from center point this dimension here we will define as 55 mm. Okay, now select this height here, give this height as 20 mm, select this edge and select this end. So this total will be of 155. Okay, or first undo this and escape, select this and delete. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, so now select this point and select this point, so they all are horizontally aligned. Okay, now here go to dimension, define this total dimension now, so this will be 155 mm. Okay, now you can see the sketch has not moved anywhere. Now finish sketch, here take the extrude command, take here symmetric extrude and the dimension here will be of 75 mm. Okay, now press OK. Now go to origin, select the XY plane, go to create sketch, here take the circle command once again, make a circle here of diameter 35, go to dimension, the center point of this circle from the base will be at a distance of 85 mm. Okay, now select the center point and select this edge, this will be at a distance of 120 mm. Okay, now finish sketch and here take extrude, take symmetric extrude and here give the distance as 55 mm. Okay, now press OK. Now go to the XY plane once again, go to create sketch, here take the line command, select this edge and select this, the green point. Okay, select till here, escape. Now go to line command once again, select the circle and select this arc profile and escape. Now go to tangent constraint, select this line and select this circle, select this line, select this circle, select this line and this circle. Okay, now here escape. Now rotate the profile. Okay, now we are going to make the closing profile. So go to arc, take 3-point arc, select this end and select this end. place the arc here. Similarly, select this end and select this end and place one arc here and escape. Go to front. Now we have a closing profile here. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile. Okay, so this is the profile which we have to extrude. Take symmetric extrude, take here dimension as 10 mm. Okay, so this will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay, so the next profile which we are going to make will be a rib profile here. Go to part 2. Here you can see a rib profile has been created. We have constructed this profile, and this base. Okay, now we are going to construct this. Go to part 4. For this, we want a center plane around the axis of the circle. So first go to axis, select the circular profile. So it will generate a temporary axis. Okay, now go to plane, select the YZ plane and select this axis. So it will generate a plane at 90 degree. Okay, but we want a parallel plane, so we'll take degree as 0 and press OK. Now select this plane, go to create sketch. I'll rotate the view to make it more clear. Okay, now take the line command. We'll start the line from this edge till here and select this corner. Now escape, go to dimension, define this vertical dimension as 30 mm. Okay, now finish sketch. Now you can see this profile, but we don't want this yellow profiles. So these are the convert entities. Double click sketch 4, rotate the profile, select this top and select this. Make them construction geometry. Okay, now finish sketch. Now take here rib command and here we will take parallel to sketch plane and the thickness here will be of 10 mm. This will be a symmetric rib and press OK. Okay, now we don't want this plane and this axis, so select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. So select the axis, right click, turn off the visibility. Now I want same profile other side as well. So go to mirror, select rib 1, go to mirror plane and here we will select the XY plane. Rotate the view. Here you can see a rib profile is being created. Press OK. Now go to home. Now we are going to construct our cut profiles. So select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and here make a circle of diameter 12.5 and make one more circle here of diameter 12.5. Okay, go to line, make a center line over here, joining this and here join this. Escape. To see the center line, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, select this line, go to sketch, make it a construction geometry. Now here go to dimension, define the distance from here as 25. Okay, and the distance from side edge will be 20. Similarly, from this side this distance will be of 20. Escape. Now here take the vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Now go to 3D model, take extrude, select both the profiles. Okay, go to extrude again, select both these profiles, flip the direction and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Okay, and press OK. So this is a through cut. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command and take here 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle profile over here, go to dimension, define this width as 20. Okay, and define this dimension here as 10. Now go to the horizontal constraint, select the center point and here select this center point. Okay, go to 3D model, take extrude. Here we are going to take a cut profile, so flip the direction to direction 2, and here take all. So this will be also a through cut. Press OK. Okay, now here select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, and at the center point we are going to construct a circle of diameter 20. Go to 3D model, take extrude, and here flip the direction, and here also take through all cut. Rotate the profile, you can see a cut profile this side also. Press OK, go to home. Now here we are going to give the radius, so go to fillet, take a radius of 8 mm, go to edge selection, select this corner, select this, okay, select this corner, rotate, and select this corner, rotate again, select this as well. Now press apply. Now change the radius to 3 mm, go to edge selection. Now we are going to select this inner edges, select this, this, and this, rotate the profile, select this edge. Now here will come this side, select all the 3 edges. Now rotate, select these 3 edges, select here, rotate, go to edge selection, select this, this, and this. Okay. Now here I think we have completed all the inner edges. Press OK. Now here go to chamfer, take a chamfer of 1 mm, go to edge selection, select this edge, rotate, and select here. Now press OK. Go to home. Now this part is almost complete. From here we will give the appearance. So I have taken an appearance of canary. So this is yellow color. Okay. So this is the final profile. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D drawing model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.